In this video, we're going to dye a very small bunny after I've sewn it, but before I've stuffed it. And I'm going to dye it with this lemonade Kool Aid. This is unsweetened drink mix. And we're going to dye it in the microwave. Now I have a dish pan full of hot water. I have a casserole dish filled with some warm water, some plastic wrap, vinegar, the Kool Aid of course. If you want a darker shade, you'll want more than one envelope. A spoon, some rubber gloves to protect your hands because this does get messy. And then I've covered my countertop with an old junk towel. Now I'm going to take the sewn pieces and I am going to put them in the dish pan full of hot water. Well, it's very warm water. If it was really hot, I couldn't put my hands in it. And we want these to get totally soaked. So I'm going to mush them up a little so that they absorb the water. As you'll notice, after I've sewn them, I've also turned these pieces right side out, but I have not put any fray check on it yet. So we'll let that sit and let them soak while we do the next step, which is to fill this with some warm water that I've already done. And we're going to add lemonade because I wanted a yellow Kool Aid, yellow dye on my pieces. Okay, we're going to add, this is going to be a very pale yellow. I'll stir it up. Now I don't have a lot of water in here, so I don't need too much vinegar. The vinegar is to help set the color into the fabric. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of just regular old distilled white vinegar into the Kool Aid mixture and stir it. Now I'm going to take these pieces out and just bring them out a little, not too much. We're going to put them in the Kool Aid water. Our next step is to cover this with plastic wrap. Now we have it covered, we're going to put it in the microwave. Now we're going to cook it on high for 2 minutes to start. Now I've taken it out of the microwave and we'll remove the top and stir it around a little bit. And then we'll see. So far it's just really pale. It's not quite as dark as I'd like it to be. So I think we'll put it in for another couple of minutes. I'll stir it around to try to make sure that all the pieces are getting dyed evenly. I'm going to cover it up and do another 2 minutes. Okay, I have microwaved it for a couple more minutes and then I let it sit in there another minute too. And you can see that the pieces are a little darker, which is what I wanted. So I am actually, because after you rinse them and they dry, they're going to get a little lighter. So I'm going to let it sit in here. I don't think I need to microwave it anymore, but I'm going to let them sit in the water for a couple more minutes and then we'll rinse them.